Imagine the biggest thing you can. Now multiply that by infinity. That's space. It's filled with trillions of stars, each pouring out unimaginable amounts of energy. We humans are a curious bunch. We look up at the night sky and wonder about our place in this vast cosmic arena. We are driven by a thirst for knowledge, a desire to explore the unknown. This drive has led us to invent incredible things, from the wheel to the internet. But our ingenuity doesn't stop there. We dream of even greater achievements, of harnessing the power of the stars themselves. This is where the concept of a Dyson Sphere comes in. Imagine a megastructure so vast, so ambitious, that it could capture the entire energy output of a star. That's a Dyson Sphere, a testament to the boundless potential of human imagination and engineering. The idea of a Dyson Sphere might seem like science fiction, but the science behind it is firmly rooted in reality. As we continue to push the boundaries of science and technology, who knows what incredible feats we might achieve? The future is unwritten, and the possibilities are endless. The Dyson Sphere is a hypothetical megastructure. It's named after physicist Freeman Dyson. He popularized the concept in 1960. Imagine a shell or a swarm of satellites completely surrounding a star. That's a Dyson Sphere in a nutshell. The idea is to capture the star's energy. This energy could then be used by a civilization. We could power our cities, our spaceships, our dreams. A Dyson Sphere is a solution to a problem we haven't even faced yet. As our civilization grows, so does our energy consumption. We need more power to fuel our progress. A Dyson Sphere could provide that power on an unimaginable scale. It could be the key to unlocking interstellar travel and colonizing other planets. The concept of a Dyson Sphere has captured the imagination of scientists, science fiction writers, and the public alike. It represents the ultimate expression of technological prowess. It's a symbol of humanity's potential to reach for the stars and harness the cosmos itself. It's a reminder that the only limit to our achievements is our own imagination. There are several theoretical types of Dyson Spheres. Each has its own set of challenges and benefits. The most classic design is the Dyson Shell. This is a solid shell completely enveloping a star. Imagine a giant ball with a star at its center. It's a visually striking concept. However, a Dyson shell is also the most difficult to construct. It would require an immense amount of material and face tremendous gravitational stresses. A more feasible design is the Dyson Swarm. This consists of thousands or millions of smaller structures orbiting a star. Think of it as a giant disco ball, with each mirror reflecting and capturing the star's light. A Dyson Swarm is more modular and easier to build incrementally. Another interesting concept is the Dyson Bubble. This uses giant, light-reflecting sails to capture solar energy. These sails would be stationary, held in place by the pressure of the star's light. Imagine a giant soap bubble shimmering around a star. Each type of Dyson Sphere presents its own set of engineering challenges. However, the potential rewards are immense. The ability to capture even a fraction of a star's energy would be transformative. Stars are basically giant nuclear reactors. They fuse hydrogen into helium. This process releases an incredible amount of energy. We experience a tiny fraction of this energy as sunlight, but a Dyson Sphere could capture a significant portion. We're talking about a mind-boggling amount of power. With this energy, we could power our cities, industries, and transportation systems. We could even power massive terraforming projects. Imagine transforming Mars into a habitable planet. A Dyson Sphere could make that possible. The energy captured by a Dyson Sphere could also be used to power advanced technologies. We could develop faster-than-light travel. We could power massive supercomputers. The possibilities are truly endless. Harnessing the power of a star would be a game-changer for humanity. It would open up a new chapter in our civilization's story. It's a future worth striving for. Building a Dyson Sphere is, without a doubt, a monumental task. It would require resources and technology far beyond our current capabilities. First, we'd need an astronomical amount of raw materials. We're talking about dismantling planets or even stars. Then, we'd need to transport these materials into orbit around the chosen star. This would require a space-based infrastructure unlike anything we have today. The actual construction process would be incredibly complex. It would involve advanced robotics, automation, and artificial intelligence. We'd need to develop new materials capable of withstanding the intense heat and radiation near a star. Building a Dyson Sphere would be a multi-generational project. It might take centuries or even millennia to complete. However, the challenges are not insurmountable. With human ingenuity and perseverance, it's a goal we could one day achieve. Building a Dyson Sphere isn't just about gathering enough material, it presents a whole host of challenges. One of the biggest is the sheer scale of the project. We're talking about structures larger than planets. Building something this big in space is a whole new ballgame. Then there's the issue of materials. We need something that can withstand the intense heat and radiation from a star. Current materials wouldn't last very long. We need to invent new, super durable materials. Another challenge is stability. A Dyson Sphere needs to be incredibly stable. The gravitational forces involved are enormous. Even a small imbalance could tear the whole structure apart. These are just a few of the challenges we'd need to overcome. Building a Dyson Sphere is a monumental task. It would require a level of engineering and coordination beyond anything we've ever attempted. If Dyson Spheres are indeed possible, could there be some already out there, built by advanced alien civilizations? Scientists are looking for them. How would we detect a Dyson Sphere? It all comes down to energy. A Dyson Sphere would absorb a star's energy. This would cause a noticeable dip in the star's light output. This dip would be detectable by our telescopes. Another clue is infrared radiation. A Dyson Sphere would re-emit the absorbed energy as heat. This heat signature would be visible in infrared wavelengths. Scientists are scanning the skies for these telltale signs. They're looking for stars with unusual light curves or excess infrared emissions. So far, no conclusive evidence of Dyson Spheres has been found. But the search continues. The discovery of a Dyson Sphere would be a monumental event. It would prove that we are not alone in the universe. A Dyson Sphere could be more than just an energy source. It could be a new home for humanity. Imagine living on the inside surface of a Dyson shell. The entire inner surface could be habitable. It would be like living on a giant artificial planet. A Dyson Sphere could have its own ecosystems, weather patterns, and even artificial gravity. It could support a population of trillions. Living in a Dyson Sphere would be a unique experience. The sky would be the inner surface of the sphere. The sun would be ever present, providing constant daylight. It would be a world unlike anything we've ever known. A Dyson Sphere could be our escape from a dying Earth. It could be a lifeboat for our species. It could be the ultimate expression of human ingenuity and resilience. Building a Dyson Sphere raises ethical questions. We're talking about harnessing the entire energy output of a star. This would have a profound impact on any planets in that solar system. What about the potential life on those planets? Do we have the right to deprive them of their star's energy? These are questions we need to grapple with. We must consider the long-term consequences of our actions. Building a Dyson Sphere is not just an engineering challenge, it's an ethical one as well. We need to ensure that our pursuit of progress does not come at the cost of other life forms. We need to develop a code of ethics for interstellar civilization. We need to be responsible stewards of the galaxy. The future of humanity depends on it. The Dyson Sphere is a powerful symbol. It represents humanity's potential to achieve great things. It's a reminder that we are not limited by the confines of our planet. The universe is vast. It's full of resources and possibilities. A Dyson Sphere is a step towards harnessing those resources. It's a step towards becoming a truly spacefaring civilization. The challenges are great, but the rewards are even greater. Imagine a future where humanity harnesses the power of stars. We could explore the galaxy, colonize new worlds, and unlock the secrets of the universe. The Dyson Sphere is a symbol of that future. It's a future worth striving for, a future where humanity takes its place among the stars.